Our planet is a world of blue. Oceans cover over 70% of its surface. They hold 97% of Earth's water. These vast bodies of water are teeming with life. They are a source of endless wonder and adventure. From the icy poles to the warm tropics, the oceans offer a breathtaking array of experiences. For centuries, humans have been drawn to the sea. It has been a source of food, a means of transportation, and a source of inspiration. Today, we continue to explore the oceans. We seek to understand their mysteries and unlock their secrets. Ocean travel offers a unique perspective on our planet. It reminds us of the sheer scale and power of nature. Whether we are sailing across the ocean or diving to its depths, we are humbled by its immensity. It is a reminder that we are but a small part of something much greater than ourselves. Join me as we embark on a journey. We will explore the wonders of ocean travel. From the earliest expeditions to the latest technological advancements, we will uncover the allure of the sea. Get ready to set sail and discover the magic that awaits. Humanity's relationship with the ocean is ancient. For millennia, we have sailed its waters. Early civilizations used simple rafts and canoes. They fished, traded, and explored nearby islands. As shipbuilding techniques advanced, so did our reach. The Vikings, renowned for their seafaring prowess, ventured across the North Atlantic. They reached the shores of North America centuries before Columbus. Their voyages were daring feats of navigation and endurance. They expanded our knowledge of the world. The age of exploration marked a turning point in ocean travel. Intrepid explorers set sail across uncharted waters. Driven by curiosity and the pursuit of new trade routes, they charted vast areas of the globe. Ferdinand Magellan's circumnavigation of the globe proved the Earth was round. It was a pivotal moment in our understanding of the planet. These early voyages were not without their risks. Storms, disease, and navigational challenges were constant threats. Yet the allure of the unknown, the desire to explore, pushed these pioneers onward. Their courage and determination paved the way for modern ocean travel. Today, ocean travel has evolved dramatically. Gone are the days of wooden ships and months at sea. Modern cruise ships are floating cities. They offer a comfortable and luxurious way to explore the world. These behemoths of the sea can accommodate thousands of passengers. They boast swimming pools, restaurants, theaters, and even ice skating rinks. Cruises offer a diverse range of itineraries. Travelers can explore the Caribbean islands, the Mediterranean Sea, or the fjords of Norway, all in comfort and style. These voyages cater to a wide variety of interests. History buffs can visit ancient ruins, while nature enthusiasts can marvel at marine life and coastal landscapes. Technological advancements continue to shape the cruising experience. Advanced navigation systems ensure smooth sailing. Satellite communications keep passengers connected to the outside world. And underwater cameras offer glimpses of the marine life below. Modern cruises offer a unique blend of adventure and relaxation. They provide a window into the beauty and diversity of our planet's oceans. While cruises offer a glimpse of the ocean's surface, deep-sea exploration takes us to a hidden world. Submersibles, equipped with powerful lights and cameras, allow us to venture thousands of meters below the surface. Here, in the cold, dark depths, lies an alien landscape. Bioluminescent creatures light up the abyss with their ethereal glow. Strange and wonderful life forms, adapted to the extreme pressure and lack of sunlight, thrive in this environment. Hydrothermal vents, spewing hot, mineral-rich water, support unique ecosystems. These vents are home to organisms found nowhere else on Earth. Deep-sea exploration is not for the faint of heart. It requires specialized equipment and highly trained personnel. The risks are real, but so are the rewards. Each dive has the potential to uncover new species, new geological formations, and new insights into the origins of life on Earth. It is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable curiosity about the unknown. My own fascination with the ocean began at a young age. Growing up in England, I spent countless hours exploring the rocky shores near my home. I was captivated by the tide pools teeming with life. Crabs, starfish, and anemones sparked my curiosity about the natural world. As I grew older, my interest in the ocean deepened. I devoured books about marine life and dreamed of exploring the underwater world. In my documentaries, I've had the privilege of diving in some of the most spectacular coral reefs on Earth. I've witnessed firsthand the beauty and diversity of these underwater ecosystems. One particularly memorable experience was diving in the Great Barrier Reef. The sheer scale of the reef, its vibrant colors, and the abundance of life were awe-inspiring. I swam alongside graceful manta rays, encountered curious sea turtles, and marveled at the intricate formations of the coral. It was a stark reminder of the importance of protecting these fragile environments for future generations. As we explore the oceans, we must do so responsibly. Human activities such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change are putting immense pressure on marine ecosystems. Plastic waste pollutes our oceans, harming marine life and coastal habitats. Overfishing depletes fish populations, disrupting the delicate balance of the food chain. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise and sea levels to rise. This threatens coastal communities and marine life alike. Coral reefs, in particular, are highly susceptible to bleaching caused by warmer waters. We must act now to mitigate these threats. Sustainable practices are crucial for the health of our oceans. Reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing plastic use, and supporting sustainable fishing practices are essential steps. Educating ourselves and future generations about the importance of ocean conservation is paramount. Ocean travel not only offers adventure and wonder, but also provides valuable insights into our planet. Scientific expeditions study ocean currents, marine life, and the ocean floor. These studies enhance our understanding of climate change, plate tectonics, and the history of life on Earth. Oceanographic research has led to important discoveries about the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. We now know that the oceans play a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. They absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. By studying the oceans, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of nature. We learn about the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Ocean travel fosters a sense of wonder and respect for the natural world, inspiring us to become better stewards of our planet. The future of ocean travel is full of possibilities. Advancements in technology continue to push the boundaries of exploration. Submersibles are diving deeper, allowing us to explore the Hadal Zone, the deepest part of the ocean. Autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, are being used to map the ocean floor, study marine life, and monitor ocean conditions. Space tourism may be grabbing headlines, but some visionaries are looking to the oceans for the next frontier in travel. Underwater hotels and restaurants offer a glimpse of what the future may hold. Imagine spending a night submerged beneath the waves, surrounded by marine life. As we continue to explore the oceans, we can expect to make new discoveries that will challenge our understanding of the natural world. The ocean, with its vastness and mystery, holds endless potential for exploration and discovery. From the earliest voyages of discovery to modern-day explorations, the ocean has always beckoned humanity. It is a source of adventure, wonder, and inspiration. Ocean travel offers a unique perspective on our planet, reminding us of the sheer scale and power of nature. As we continue to explore the oceans, we must do so responsibly. Protecting marine ecosystems, mitigating the impacts of climate change, and promoting sustainable practices are crucial for the health of our oceans and the well-being of future generations. The ocean is a vast and mysterious realm, full of secrets waiting to be unlocked. Let us continue to explore its depths with curiosity, respect, and a commitment to preserving its wonders for generations to come. The voyage of discovery is never ending.